We want to solve exercise 1. 1/2 of 50 is 25, and 25 squared is 625. 1/2 of 30 is 15, and 15 squared is 225. 1/2 of 7 is 7 over 2, and 7 over 2 squared is 49 over 4. It's rewriting. We have 3x squared plus 5x. I want to get rid of the 3. Oh, it's 3x squared plus 5x. And here, I guess I did not solve that. I am a little bit lost. This is 4, 3x squared plus 5x. And where does the 5x squared plus 9x come from? Maybe up there that should be 5x squared plus 9x instead of 3x squared plus 5x. I suspect that's what it is. So you factor out the 5, that becomes 9 over 5. 1/2 of this is 9 over 10. And then you need 9 over 10 quantity square inside the brackets, okay? Inside this set of parentheses, which I turned into brackets. And then you distribute the 5 and the 5, so you get out of the brackets. It's 5 times 81 over 100, which is 81 over 20. And you have your A, which is 5, your B, which is 9 over 10, and your C, which is negative 81 over 20. Why negative? Because this says plus C. And then we want to complete the square by solving. This is 0, I have an equation, part of 35. This is 1 times x squared, so 1/2 of 12 is 6. 6 squared is 36, add 36 to both sides. These 3 terms give you the perfect square. 1 on the right, so x minus 6 is plus or minus 1, or x is 6 plus 1, or 6 minus 1. Part the 40, 1/2 of 24 is 12, 12 squared is 144 added to both sides. Your perfect square here, take the square root of the left and plus or minus the square root of the right. So the solution is negative 12 plus square root of 104, or negative 12 minus square root of 104. By the way, were you successful in factoring this? If you did, you could probably belong in the Guinness Book of Records if you factored it with integers, not square roots or anything else. So, we park the 9, we divide by 5 to get 1 times x squared. We need 1/2 the coefficient of 7 over 5, which is 7 over 10. And we need that quantity squared, so I add it to both sides of the equation. You have a perfect square, which is 229 over 100 after you combine the 2 terms on the right. You take the square root of both sides. That gives you square root of 229 over 10. Square root of 100 is 10. You subtract 7 over 10 from both sides. You have the same denominator. So your solution is x equals the numerator negative 7 plus or minus square root of 229 divided by the denominator, which is just 10.